I was sent this essential oil for my review, and I'm so excited to check it out because this one is called Hotel, inspired by Hilton. And then when I check them out, they have a whole line that is inspired by different hotels. And it's really funny because I travel a lot, and it's so interesting because every time you go into hotels, there are so many of them that have like a specific smell. No, I can't sit here and tell you and walk in and be like, oh, that smells like the Hilton. That smells like the Four Seasons, or whatever. I definitely can't do that. But I for sure am a strong believer that each of these hotels do have their specific kind of like smell and scent. So I'm excited to see if when I open this up, if I'm like transported into a hotel here. So let's see. Oh, hold on. We've got like a little cap here. It also comes with the dropper, which is really nice. So this, of course, you can use in a diffuser. Obviously, if you use essential oils, if you want to use this like hair, skin, you know, that is completely up to you, of course, depending on how you use your essential oils. I love having these, you know, in a diffuser in our bedroom, especially if this is going to remind me of like the Hilton and smell like a hotel. Okay, seriously, like this is clearly what the Hilton is using at their hotels. Okay, I say the Hilton, it could be any hotel, but as soon as I smell that, I'm like transported. I can just feel myself being inside a nice hotel room. And I guess this is the one for the Hilton. This smells absolutely fantastic. I cannot wait to check out their whole lineup. This stuff is awesome. I wish you could smell it.